since your argument with Greg Clark 2 days ago.
Oh, no, I'm not trying to arrest Randy for anything. I want her to remove the curse off my friend Miles.
Do you promise any kind of restorative action could be taken as an admission of guilt?
No, please, it's my fault. Okay, I should have protected him. And I know you're a good person who wouldn't want to hurt Billy Starr, an innocent man. Not that they have or will.
This conversation?
No, okay, please, I'll pay. Call it a charity.